guys, good afternoon. Hi. Hi guys. Hi guys, be careful. Hello. Hi guys, good afternoon. See you. Hi guys, today I would like to show you my classroom in Chinese primary school. So here I have different stuff and it's very comfortable. It's the best classroom in my life. Here I have everything what I need to organize my classes, and now it's very hot, but I have 2 air cons, I have so many fans, so I feel comfortable. In order to teach my kids, I have different stuff here and there. So I have a whiteboard and it's very useful. Also I have a computer here, which one I use every class, every day. Here is the place where I can put the book and show some information for my students. And yes, I think that Chinese classroom is the best one which I had before. And also here I have the storage room. Where I can put some stuff which one I don't use. As usual, there are around 25 students in my class per one period. Here you can see English alphabet, everywhere English alphabet. Of course, because we are in China, you can see here the flag. It's very important for Chinese people because they follow the government, they follow their ideas. And yes, I think that's good. Why not? They have their own ideas, their own view, and that's good. Please post comments below. What do you have in your classroom? What kind of stuff do you use? Thank you for your attention. Click like and see you soon in China. Bye bye.